Hello Divi fans. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create a page like this using Divi 5. So here, I'm going to add one row, and I'm going to use the code module. Let's see. This is going to be, I believe that's a paragraph, background color that's centered and is in the color white. So let's see, P, let's do updated date, script. We're going to write some JavaScript. I'm going to do constant D, so constant's not going to change. New date, that's the constructor. Let's see, month. So the month's going to be, I'm going to use a const months. And I'm going to create an array that contains all the months in strings. Okay. I'll use a semicolon, which marks the end of a line for the interpreter. And then, so this is going to be document dot so I'm going to be editing the DOM, the document object model. So here I'm going to do, okay, so I'm going to give this element here an ID. So ID will equal, I'll call it demo. Document.get element by ID demo dot inner HTML. So that's going to change the updated :date into what I specify to the right of the equal sign. So this is going to be updated. You could also use single quotes. I'm going to use double quotes. So updated colon plus, let's see, doc to be months, then be d dot get month. Let's see. So we get month, get month, okay, plus dot get date plus get full year. And let's see what happens. Save draft, preview. There we go. Now, let's see, I'm going to go into the row settings. I'm going to get rid of the spacing. So the margin and padding are all going to be set to 0. There we go. And then in the sizing, row alignment is center. text I'm going to set into the center as well. So design, text, center, row settings. Let's change the sizing to, let's make it 150 pixels. Make it 250 pixels, 450. There we go. And the background color, content. And content, I'm going to do RGB. So 53 red, 53 green, and 53 blue. That's going to be a gray color. And then the spacing. So let's make the top same with the left and right. Okay. Then border radius. Set let's make it to like 20. So I'm going to set to 20. Okay. And the text here. Text sizing. Advanced. I'm going to have an ID. Let's see, ID demo. Set text color to white. And then to font size, I'm going to set to 20 pixels. Letter spacing, I'm going to set to 1 pixel. Font weight, I'm going to set the bold. There we go. Save draft. Preview. Okay, I'm not going to include a form on this module, on this page. We have a few videos that include the form that are about the plugin Forminator. I highly recommend checking those out. So basically all I'm going to do is have a text module, a button module, and a map module. Another row. There's going to be 2 rows. Actually, no, I'm going to make it 1 row, 1 column. Text module. There's going to be a button module below it. And below the button module, I'm going to add a map module. There we go. Save draft. This section here, we'll make the background color like a light blue. And the text here, I'm going to copy and paste it from here. Call to action. Could do that. Okay, I think I'm going to use a call to action module instead. So let's eliminate these 2 modules. Then I'm going to add a call to action module. Put it above the map. Okay. Module settings. Sencha SEO company. And it's going to be learn more. The text. I'm just going to copy from here. Okay. For the title text, that's centered. Body text, all that left aligned. Okay, it's white. So this is a heading 4. Where's the button? Button background, green color. Where is it though? text, make it like a dark blue. Make it bold. Save draft and preview. Where's the button though? Link. Oh, you didn't include the link before it appears. So website orders.com/internet marketing services SEO. In a new tab. Okay. And then I'm going to remove the border. Let's have no border. See, none. The border with the border radius. I'm going to make it, let's make it 10, 15, 20. Okay. Then I'm going to make it left aligned. Left aligned. Save. Save. Draft. Let's change the background color of this. Okay, save draft. For this section, I'm going to move the top spacing. Preview. Let's increase the top margin. Let's increase the padding, top margin in the section. Save draft, preview, and there we go. So we decrease the spacing here. Alignment center. Save draft and preview. Maybe the body and the bottom. Can have some spacing as well. The section settings, spacing. Maybe let's increase it to 15. Okay, save draft, preview. Decrease this a little bit. Save draft. These would all be on auto. Draft. So we can make the text bigger here. Let's make the text 16. Zero letter spacing. Increase the line height to 1.8. Design title text. So we can increase that to 28. Spacing 25. Save draft. Preview. There we go. Okay, that concludes the video. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below the video, and subscribe to the channel.